Hello viewers, wishing you health and joy. I'm Fabiola Lopes Fernandes from Narva, Divar, Goa. I'm honored to be called to perform Christmas carols, an event organized by Museum of Christian Art, Goa. And this event will be held on 18 December, Monday, at Old Goa, Museum Christian of Art, Goa. And with mind-blowing performances from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Now, the musical performances will start from 6:30, but we have Christmas market with decorations and stalls which starts at 4 o'clock. So you could watch it live or be present at the venue. The instruments that are played are flute, cello, guitar and violins, to celebrate the joy of Christmas straight from our hearts. And music all composed and arranged by me in different voices, bass, tenor, alto and soprano. Along with my music students performing and singing in Konkani, English, instrumental music, a cappella style. We have three Konkani carols, keeping our culture in mind: Christmas Father Ye, Anand Borit Kushal Sa, and Santos Borit Natana. So keep watching, and we want you to smile, be happy and praise God. Wishing you a happy new year ahead. Thank you so much.
My name is Anthony Azevedo. I am from Divar and I am a student of Fabiola Lopes Fernandes Musical School. I am participating in this concert because of two reasons. One is this event is of an international caliber, plus I am proud because I am given a golden opportunity to take part, and my support is my music teacher Fabiola Lopes Fernandes.
Anything else you want to add, want to say?
I want to say, because I want maximum people to come and take advantage of this concert, because this is one of the best events.
My name is Daisy Serra and I'm from Divar, and I'm a student of Fabiola Lopes Fernandes, and I'm learning with her the keyboard. I've been with Fabiola for many years, and I do have an interest of learning keyboard. So that actually was a motive that's helped me to motivate myself to learn music. And also I have the interest in music, so I love singing. So that helps me when I learn music. It helps me to sing along and be a part of the community, where music is given so important that being a part of it gives me a pride.
My name is Kimberly. I'm from Bittona. The viewers can look forward for many Christmas carols, especially in Konkani. They'll be accompanied by instruments like the violin, flute, the guitar and the cello.
My name is Sheena Alfonso and I'm from Divar. I have performed many different concerts with my music teacher, that is Fabiola Lopes Fernandes, and performing at this level, that is at the Museum Art, is a great honor and an opportunity that we have got from our teacher, and I would like to thank her for that. And I would like to wish the viewers who would come and enjoy this concert.
Fernandes, and I'm from Divar Island. There are 4 instruments that are going to be used in the concert: the violin, the flute, the cello and the guitar. The cello, I'm going to be playing the cello, is a bass instrument, and we follow the bass clef. The violins follow the treble clef, the guitar the rhythm chords, and the flute follows a high-pitched voice.
My name is Zandra. I am from Divar. I'm singing. Please come and enjoy.